What if I told you the audios on your device carry deep secret you have no idea of? Yes, the songs on your device may carry deep secrets you have no idea of. Let's dive into one of the most deceptive and invisible techniques in cybersecurity, called audio steganography. This is the act of hiding secret information inside audio or sounds. You might play an audio file and hear nothing unusual, yet beneath the waves, something is buried. But how can audio really hide data? How do criminals use it? And most importantly, are you safe? Stay with me as we uncover the secret behind audio steganography, how it works, and the practical steps you must take to protect yourself. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Everything demonstrated here is done in a controlled and authorized environment, strictly for learning, awareness, and improving cybersecurity. Ethical hacking is about protecting systems, not breaking into them. Any attempt to use the tools, techniques, or information in this video for unauthorized access, exploitation, or malicious activity is illegal and can result in serious consequences. I do not encourage, support, or take responsibility for any misuse of the content presented here. Please make sure you only practice cybersecurity on systems you own or have explicit permission to test. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share. Please join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels to get daily updates. Find the links in the description section and also the pinned message in the comment section. Let's go. So begin this audio steganography. Let's go to our browser section there, and you're just going to search this repository. It says it's going to be www.github.com. GitHub, this GitHub, yes, github.com, and then it's going to be slash, and then this is the name, Hasnain. All right, Hasnain. So Hasnain hyphen dark hyphen net. All right, so hyphen net slash. All right, then you see dark voice. All right, so now that's how you type. This is what you typed. It's www.hasnain hyphen dark hyphen net darknet. Now that's how you spell darknet. All right, so hit on enter. Now you have this repository opened now. So very good. So now this is where we are here. This where we are now. So when you come to this part, just have to don't do much. Just copy the code, copy the URL code like this. Now let's come back here and let's launch the terminal. Now let's clone the repository. So git clone, and then let's paste the address there. Hit on enter to clone this to our. So now it's cloned now, so you can go ahead to go to CD, and then what is the name? The name is dark voice. So it's dark voice. Please just observe the characters. The K is a block letter, and then a V2 is a block letter. Hit on enter. Now let's go in. So let's list the items inside. So now we have these one. So we have the dark voice encrypt or decrypt. We have the dark void encrypt. So these are the two main things you're going to do. So if you want to hide something, you have to go by the dark voice encrypt. All right, so now let us launch the encryption, because they're Python 3. So let's go ahead to say that it's a Python 3. Then let's copy this one. We want to hide something. Let's copy this one, and let's copy. Now let's paste it in there. All right, so let's paste in there. Now let's hit on enter. So now here we are now. So let's get our audio ready. So now let me hide this one here, and let's go and get our audio. So let's come to our home and then find our audio. So if we come to our home here, directory, let's come here. All right, so now you should have this here. So you see this dark voice here. So we are going to place the audio in this directory. So just come back here, and then I think I have some audio. I have audio here. Okay, I have audio here, so let me copy this audio. Let me copy this audio, and then let me just have to copy it. Let me copy it. And then let me come back to this part, and then I'm going to paste it inside of this one. So now let me come and paste this one here. Let me paste it here. So let me rename it. Well, let me rename it. Let me name it as a try. So try. So the name is, I've just named it try. Right. So this an audio that I want to hide something inside of it. So now let me come back here and let me go back to this part. This part here. And then let me just go back to my dashboard. So now this is what I'm going to do. So we're going to go by the program Python 3. Then you just go by the program that's the dark voice encrypt. All right. Then -I, the input. So you just have to set your input. We have the input value there. Then you set your output and all that. So now we are going to say that we want to encrypt the file. So you just have to go by the Python 3, and then what are we going to do? So we are going to encrypt. So it's a dark voice encrypt. So let's come to this part, dark voice encrypt. All right, and then what is going to be the so -I, the I specifies the input. All right, so what is the input? What's the input in this case? So what is the file name? So come here, and then the file name is try dots. Okay, so let's get the original, or let's get the right file, the right, what do you call it, extension. So if we come to this part, dark voice, it is try.waf. okay, WAV. So try.wav. So let's come here. Let's come to this part. So it is try.wav. So now this is a file name, try.wav. Now when you are done, just have to set out the output. So what's going to be the output? So how do you want to name it? All right, so I want to name it after I've embedded my file, I've embedded my code in it, or I've embedded my secret in it. How do you want to be named? So I want to name it let me say song. All right, so .wav. All right, so now song as WAV. I want to make it as song.wav. Now when you are done, just have to go by the message. So now let's hit by the message. So -m specify the message. So what message do you actually want to add to this one? So now I want to add this message that there is a secret. Let me say that there is a secret in this. There is a secret in this audio. All right, so there is a secret in this audio. All right, so if you want to hide something like a video, sorry, you want to hide a picture, something like anything you want to hide, you can hide it right here. If it's code, you can hide your code here in the message field. Now after you are done with your hiding of your information, now you can go ahead to give this one hyphen. Now the key, what do you want to be if you want to extract with key? Yes, if you want the person to extract with key. Now let me set my key to be 1 2 3 4. So assuming that I want them to extract with key, maybe I want to secure it. Now this key will be asked if you are extracting this. Now this means that the extension is not in the right format. Let's come to our browser again. Come to the browser session again. Now come to this part. So you see this part. So you see this one. All right. So just copy. You see, convert any audio to proper WAV. All right. So now let's copy this code. Just come to this part. Copy the code, and then as I copied, let's copy it again. So let's copy it. All right, and then just come back here, come back to our section, and then let's paste the code that we copied there. All right, it's just going to make sure that it will convert it to the proper file. So now let's hit on So now here, very good. So let's edit it. So let's edit it. What's the name of the audio? So the name of the audio is it is try. All right, so you remember we name it try. Okay, to try, and then if it fixes, you're going to name it as fix.wav. so this is going to be the new name, fix.wav, going to be the new. So hit on enter. Now hit on hit on Y, hit on Y to install it. So let me install it. Y now. Okay, let me enter my password. All right, very good. Hit on Y to install it. All right, so now let's go ahead to convert it again. So let's go ahead to convert the audio again. So paste this command again. Let's paste it command again. So let's paste it. Okay, and then let's come here. All right, so let's come here and then let's change it. What's the name? So the name is try, right? The name is try. It's try. All right, so now hit on enter. It's going to convert. So now it has converted the try file, and then the try file is now named as fixed. So this is the command, this is the meaning of what they did. So it's that. So you see that it converted the try file and then named it as fixed. So now the new file is fixed. Sorry. So if I come to this part and then I list, so let me, if I list my items, I should have my new file that's called the fixed. So this is the fixed file that we have got now. All right, so this is the old one. We are not going to use this one again. So now let's go ahead to hide items in this one, because this wasn't in the right format, so it couldn't contain the item. That's why we had to fix it, and then we fixed this audio to this one. So let's hide items in this one rather. So let's come here and then let's go by the command by the Python 3. So but the Python 3, so now this is the command that we typed, the Python 3, and then we are going to encrypt. So that voice encrypt.py. Then so here let's change the name. So let's come here, then let's change the name. Let's change the name to this part. Let's change the name to it must be fixed, right? You remember that we changed it to fixed, to fixed.wav. All right, so you remember that we changed the name to fixed. So this is the new one, right? So and then it's going to contain, there is a secret in this audio. Now let me hit on enter when I'm done. So now if I should list again here, see what I have. So I have the song.wav. Now this is what contains the message. So this is what contains the secret. Now for us to know that it really contains the secret, let us try to extract. Let's extract this one and see whether it contains the secret or not. Now how do you call it, extract? So now we're going to go by the command Python 3. All right, and then this -i. All right, very good. So very good. So here, so now we have added the key. You remember that we added a key when we encrypted it. So now the key must be added. So now let's hit on enter and see. So very good. So you see extracted message. So the extracted message, you see there is there. So this one just there, right? So that's it. And then we have, this is the message I typed. There's a secret in this audio. Now this audio that you see, that is seen as just audio, contains this message. Now this is how hackers to hide information from you. So my thing is just audio you are playing, but secret or beneath it, it's just a secret you have no idea of. So this is how audio steganography works. These are the measures to protect yourself from audio steganography. 1. Don't download audio file from unknown sources. Keep your phone and media apps updated. Use official apps only. Scan files before opening. Avoid granting unnecessary permissions.